Installing solar on standing seam roofing doesn't have to be complicated. With the S5 PV kit, you can mount panels faster, cleaner, and without ever penetrating the roof. Stick with us and we'll walk step by step through the process, including proper torque specs and pre-assembly tips, so your install is safe, efficient, and built to last. Start by installing your first row of S5 clamps along the edge of the array. This row must be perfectly straight, so measure from a reference point like the eave and set the end clamps first. Use a string line to align the rest. Tighten the set screws. They'll dimple the seam material, but they won't penetrate it. To save time, you can pre-assemble the PV kit with your S5 clamps on the ground before heading up to the roof. Place a PV disc on each clamp, then thread the standoff through the disc and into the clamp. Drive it down until it seats the disc. Leave the grab up to allow room for the module frame. Set your first module into place. Push the frame into the edge grabs, then tighten the low-profile bolt with the provided bit. For the next rows, use your modules as a guide. Slide the clamp and mid-grab assembly into place, keeping the grab slightly open for the next module. Continue placing modules, tightening the downslope grabs as each one is installed. Leave the upslope grabs open until the next row is in place. Finish with edge grab assemblies on the last row. And that's how simple it is to install S5 PV kit on a standing seam metal roof. Strong, secure, and fast.